Early signs of deficiency in your body from nutritional standpoint, part 1. Excessive yawning. You might have seen or come across people who would be yawning a lot. But why does this happen? Yes, it could be that you are too much tired. It could be that you are out of shape. But if you are yawning every time, then there is a problem. Let's understand why. You cannot make heme in your blood if you are low in iron. You are gonna be bit deficient of oxygen. So to fulfill the gap, you are yawning always. Understand this early signs of deficiency which your body shows and take actions. For more details, connect with me. Cheers to a healthy life.